for your wonderful interaction with our wonderful students.
So I am proud of all my these scholar students. They are friends of mine. They are I'm looking them as the future of my school as well as the future of India. So I wanted that some scientists should come to my campus and have discussion with small kids. You gave your valuable time here and you had a nice interaction. They had a lot of experience of talking to a person like you and very boldly they talked with you also very confidently and the quality of question was also so good. Their passion of listening is also so good. So really, I feel that definitely under the guidance of the persons like you, means the senior scientists, senior educationalists, the future of India, I am looking very great. So the credit goes to you as well as to all the students. We are just doing a job of mediator. So definitely I will like other people also to call here and have such type of interaction in future also. Thank you so much for giving lot of time, lot of experience you shared with us. We never expected that such a big personality, a eminent personality will talk with us with so polite language because this type of language is also very new for us means the politeness and the confidence and that experience matters. The persons you work with, those people who are who were the greatest people of India, greatest leadership of India, and definitely that type of guidance, what you gave here is actually I consider that all the greatest people's thoughts and their ideology came in your mind and you are just transmitting that ideology in the future generation. So thank you so much.
Thank you.